Hey guys, this is Suhas Padmalkar. Welcome to today's weekly market update. Last week was very much volatile. We have witnessed too much volatility in the market. As discussed in previous weekly market update, we have witnessed relief rally in the market in the last week. Nifty able to close with the green candle, but we have witnessed huge volatility on daily basis. So let us see how was the performance of our Indian market with respect to global market and what clue, what signal we are getting for the next week. But before that, tomorrow there is Indian budget. So we can witness a lot of volatility in the market tomorrow. So someone is able to handle such volatility, then one can plan for trade. Otherwise, just stay away and let the event gets over. Then we'll get the right direction for the market, and then someone can plan the trade accordingly. We have to trade cautiously with risk management in place. So in today's video, we are going to analyze our Indian major indices along with the sectoral indices with respect to global market performance. So for that, we are going to use top-down approach, and I am going to share with you top 3 performing sectors even in such a present volatile market. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Before moving ahead, let me give disclaimer. Whatever we are going to learn today in this session, that is just for education and information purpose only. Anyway, there is no buy or sell recommendation. As a trader, it is your responsibility to do your own research and analysis before entering into any trade. So let's dive in. In today's weekly market update, we are going to see world market performance, commodities, cryptocurrencies, Indian market, and Indian sectoral indices performance. For this, we are going to use our most favorite top-down approach. In this approach, first step is satellite view, where we are going to see global market performance. Second step in top-down approach is helicopter view, where we are going to see our major indices like Nifty 50 and Sensex performance. Third step in top-down approach is aerial view, where we are going to see our major sectoral indices performance like pharma, FMCG, auto, metal, bank Nifty, IT, FMCG. And fourth step in top-down approach is microscopic view, where once we know the most performing sector, we will find out the stocks from this performing sector. So first one is global market performance, that is satellite view. Dow Jones monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily between 40-60. S&P 500 monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily between 40-60. Both Dow Jones and S&P 500 are trending market. Nasdaq monthly RSI above 60, daily weekly between 40-60. So short-term and mid-term trend of Nasdaq seems to be sideways. FTSE UK, all 3 RSIs trading above RSI level 60. UK market is in great momentum. DAX Germany monthly RSI above 60, daily weekly between 40-60. So clearly short-term and medium-term trend is sideways. Euro stocks weekly monthly RSI above 60, daily between 40-60. So long-term, medium-term trend is bullish, short-term trend is sideways. Nikkei Japan monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily between 40-60. CAC France, all 3 RSI monthly, weekly, daily between 40-60. So France market seems to be sideways. And monthly chart, if you see, we can see here it is at resistance. So resistance is a resistance till it does not get crossed. Shanghai, China, all 3 RSI near or above 60. So clearly China market seems to be very good placed. Kospi, Korea, all three RSI above 60. Korea market seems to be in very much momentum, and this is the best chart of today of our analysis. Hang Seng Hong Kong, monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily RSI near 60. Clearly it is a trending market. Taiwan, all three RSI above 60. So clearly this Taiwan market is in great momentum. So Korea and Taiwan are the best chart that we have seen today. So let us see commodity performance. Gold, monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily between 40-60. So we have witnessed little bit correction in gold last week. Silver, monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily between 40-60. So here also we have witnessed small correction in last week. Copper future, monthly RSI above 60, daily weekly between 40-60. So short term and medium term trend of copper is sideways. Crude seems to be coming into momentum zone. Monthly RSI between 40-60. So it is showing sideways market, but on short term and medium term trend we can see there is little bit momentum, so one can keep watch on this. US dollar index, monthly weekly RSI between 40-60, daily below 40. This is sideways to bearish market. Let us see cryptocurrencies performance. Bitcoin, monthly RSI between 40-60, daily and weekly below 40. So there is a bearishness in the Bitcoin on short term and medium term trend. Ethereum, monthly RSI between 40-60, weekly and daily RSI below 40. So clearly short term and medium term trend of Ethereum is bearish. Let us see helicopter view, that is our Indian major indices. Nifty 50, monthly RSI above 60, but daily and weekly RSI between 40-60. So clearly short term and medium term trend of Nifty 50 is sideways. Here we can see Nifty is taking support at RSI 40 level. So if it is confirmed next week, then we can say Nifty is making range shift and it is giving a signal that it will not go down if it is confirmed in next week. Sensex, monthly weekly RSI between 40-60, so it is showing sideways market. Daily RSI has crossed 40 level. Short term is showing lot of weakness. Nifty 50 chart was good than Sensex. So let us see third step in top down approach, that is aerial view, where we are going to see Indian sectoral indices performance. Nifty Bank, monthly RSI above 60, daily weekly between 40-60. So clearly short term and medium term trend of Nifty Bank is sideways. It is trading nearly at resistance. So here also one can notice it is taking resistance at 60 on weekly chart. So if it is confirmed next week, then we can say Nifty is doing range shift on weekly chart. So that will not be good for the market if it is confirmed next week. Nifty Fin Services, monthly RSI above 60, daily between 40-60. So clearly short term medium term trend is sideways. Nifty PSU Bank, all three RSI above 60. So it is very good chart. PSU Bank is showing very good momentum and bullishness in the sector. Nifty Auto, monthly RSI above 60, weekly between 40-60 and daily below 40. So all three charts are showing different direction. So this is where skill of trader comes into picture. It is very difficult to make view under such circumstances. Nifty Metal, monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily RSI between 40-60, but it is near to 60 level. So last week we have seen little bit correction in the metal sector. kind of shooting star is getting formed in weekly, so that one should keep watch on this. If it is getting confirmation follow through sell off in the next week, then there will be concern in the metal sector going forward. Nifty Pharma monthly weekly RSI between 40-60, daily RSI below 40 level. So clearly pharma sector is sideways to bearish zone. Nifty IT all three RSI between 40-60, so clearly it is a sideways market. On weekly, this is the consolidation is happening here. If this breaks upside, then clearly there will be breakout in IT sector going forward. So one must keep watch on this and monitor for breakout to happen in IT sector. One thing we can notice here, even though market is falling, Nifty is falling, IT sector index is not making newer low. It is respecting previous low only. So IT sector seems to be good going forward if it maintains its momentum upside in the weeks ahead. Nifty FMCG monthly RSI between 40-60, daily weekly RSI below 40. So there is a lot of bearishness in the FMCG sector. Nifty consumption monthly RSI between 40-60, daily weekly below 40. So here also we can see bearishness in the consumption sector. Nifty energy all three RSI monthly weekly daily between 40-60. So clearly it is a sideways market. Last week there was little bit recovery in the energy sector. We can see weekly candle able to close in green. Nifty reality monthly RSI between 40-60, daily weekly below 40. So clearly short term and medium term trend is bearish. So what is the conclusion of this analysis? Here in this table I have tried to show the summary of global market performance that we have seen. So clearly global markets, there is no worry at all. Only concern going forward is crude started rising and US dollar started falling. So that is not good for the US market. Our Indian market performance summary. Our markets are not performing up to the global market. Lack of performance because of FII not supporting Indian market. So only domestic institutional investors, they are supporting Indian market majorly in large cap stock. So that is why our Indian market is not falling also and not crossing all time high also. Last 15-16 months Nifty has not given any positive performance. Nifty was around 26,000 mark in September 2024 and still we are trading near that level even in January 2026. So our performance is not good. Sectoral performance also you can see yellow and red cells are increasing. That means our RSI levels of different sectors showing sideways to bearish view. Only three sectors we can see, metal, auto and PSU bank, are showing considerable momentum in those sectors. So these are the three sectors one must keep watch on if they want to make selection of the stocks from. Then these are the sectors one can find the stocks from this sector: auto, metal and PSU bank. Rest all sectors are sideways to bearish side. So accordingly, after budget one can make the strategy and select the stocks from these sectors for trades going forward. So as we have seen, metal, PSU bank and auto is outperforming Nifty 50 performance. IT, fin services and manufacturing seems to be at par with the Nifty 50 performance, and rest all sectors like pharma, realty, energy, IT, FMCG, they are showing underperformance than Nifty 50. So this is how our top-down approach help us to identify the performance of the sector, and with this now analysis it is very easy for us to select the stocks. If somebody wants to make bullish view, then we can select the stocks from the metal, PSU bank and auto sector. And if we want to find out the shorting opportunities, then we can find those opportunities from pharma, realty, energy, FMCG sectors. So going forward next week, one can keep watch on defense sector also, because if some good news is there in the budget for the defense sector, then definitely defense stocks are going to perform well in the weeks ahead. That's it for the today, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and comment below and do subscribe to our channel. आज के वीडियो में इतना ही। आशा करता हूँ आज का ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत ही इंफॉर्मेटिव होगा। जल्द ही मिलेंगे ऐसे ही नए ज्ञानवर्धक वीडियो के साथ। तब तक के लिए आई एम सुहास पडमलकर, योर ट्रेडिंग स्किल पार्टनर, साइनिंग ऑफ फॉर द डे। टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ एंड योर फैमिली। टिल देन, गुड लक and good trading. Thank you.